Good evening everyone. I am Tapan Dhar. I have prepared one tool using ArcGIS. Okay. The custom tool is all about creating a image stack and top of atmosphere from a list 3 image. Okay. So let's start. Here the representation of the script tool is like this. You can find this is a script tool that has been added to a FSI toolbox. If you just click on this type of tool will opens up and it's asking for the 3 parameters. Click on this help section, you will get the corresponding help of this tool. So what are that? So means how this tool works, and the entire thing has been explained in this help section. Just click on this help tool, so this type of window will be pops up and that will be displayed all the information regarding this tool. Then what are the input that this tool requires? Okay, so this is the base directory where we have already provided all these layers. Okay, this is the base directory. Within that the raw files, means raw list3 folders are kept in this manner. These are the raw list3 folders. Within each folder, there is a metadata file and 4 TIFF file, list3 TIFF file. Okay, so this is the structure. Okay, and what will be the process? Means you have to provide the directory. Means in this case the base directory is the this one. Under this list3 scene, all these directories are present, so you have to provide the base directory name as list3 one. Okay, and if you required all this, then you have to select as per your requirement. There are 2 options, yes or no, for this. These are the combo box. If based on your requirement, you have to select this. Okay, and what will be the output? After running this tool, you will get output in this manner. Okay, so what are the outputs? The input data structure is like this and the output will be like that. Okay, this is the input, this will be the output. So here in the output, you will create within the list3 folder, within this list3 scene base directory, each scenes are kept in different folders. So within that folder, another folder will be created with the scene name. From where the scene name has been derived? From the metadata file we have extracted using programming. All that information has been extracted and the folder has been named based on the row and path. Okay, within that two files will be generated based on your selected options. Okay, so what are those? These are this is one stack image and the another one is the TOA image of that respective folder. Within this folder there are 4 bands. Based on these bands, one stack file will be generated, normal stacking, and the another one is the top of atmosphere stack will be created, and the nomenclature of these files will be first you can find that row and path, then the date of pass will be used, and then underscore stack for the stack, and for TOA underscore TOA has been used. So all this information has been extracted from the metadata file, and based on those metadata information the file name has been created. Okay, you can find that for this scene the date of pass and scene number are like this, but for another image, another folder, within that another folder has been created and the file name has been created using the row path information of the corresponding folder. Okay, these are the information, this will be generated, and apart from this information we will get these 2 files. Okay, these 2 files, this DBF one DBF, one XLS. The DBF file has been used in this in this manner. This one, the DBF file. Here in this folder we have kept only 2 folders, that's why the 2 information has been arrived here. What are those? Folder name, in which folder these files are exist, and within which folder which path row information has been kept, Okay, within this folder, from the metadata, this all information has been extracted out. Path, row, date of pass of that correspondent scene, and earth sun distance, solar zenith angle, as well as Julian day. These are the fields that has been created, and all the values were populated based on their metadata file. Okay, you will get finally within a DBF file. As well as for the ease of use, we have also saved this file as an XLS file, so each and every user can easily open without the help of ArcGIS or any other software. So this is the formula behind the earth sun distance that we have used. This is the formula behind that. Solar zenith angle has been calculated using this formula. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. So this is the information how TOA has been created. This the information is copied from United Nations website. Okay, this slide I will share within this tool. Okay, this is the formula that we have used. In this case, we have used this formula to extract an image. First, we have converted that to DN to radians. From using this formula, we have converted the DN digital number to radians, and then we have converted from radians to reflectance. Okay, using this formula. So let's start the practical part so that we can understand. We have kept all these raw scenes. Okay, these are the raw scenes in L3 scenes folder. So what you have to do, you have to just select all the RAR files and just click right click over there and click on extract here. So all the RAR files will be extracted within this directory. Okay, all these files has been extracted in separate folder. So we can delete this RAR, or you may keep as per your requirement. You may keep or you may delete. Okay, so you just get inside this folder. What are the files that are present? There are 40 files. Okay, the bands, respective bands of this scene, and all the information that has all the metadata information that has been stored in this band meta txt file. ArcGIS and move to the place where we have kept our tool. Within FSI toolbox, I have stored that one. So this is the interface of the tool. Just double click on that. The tool will pops up. Here, as I have explained, that you will just, if you just click on the show help, you will get all the correspondent help of the tool. Okay. Now the base directory. You have to provide the base directory information of the base directory. So in my case, the base directory is this one. Just refresh this. So all the folder will be populated. This is the base folder. L3 scenes is the base directory where I have kept all these list 3 scenes. Just copy that path and paste it. Okay, and the tool will ask for few questions, few options. If you want list 3 stack, do you need the list 3 stack? If yes, you have to select yes, else by default no will be selected. Okay, so if you don't want to stack as well as you don't want to create TOA, okay, you don't want to create all these files, so you have selected no. Okay, if you use this tool now, then no stack or TOA will be created, but the DBF file will be generated based on that all those information that will be stored in a DBF file. So just run this tool. Okay, by using this tool we will just get one DBF file, and within that DBF file all the information will be kept. So your tool has run successfully. So just drag and drop your scene list DBF file and open that one. You will get what are the information you are getting. You are getting there are total 13 folders are there. The name of the folders are like this. The path as well as row numbers are extracted from the metadata file. This is the data pass of each and every folder you can find from it has been stored. Okay, as per the name, it has been arranged in the ascending order. Earth sun distance has been calculated using the formula that I have already mentioned in my PPT, and the solar zenith angle has been calculated using this programming. Okay, then Julian day also been kept for your reference, so you can use this. And now just run this tool once again. So this time you can same directory, this list3 sim, just select that one. And now what I want to create a stack as well as list3 TOA. Okay, it will create it will take few time, just run it. Okay, it will take some time. So you know the what this script is doing. It's in the first folder, and it's what it is doing, just move to the directory, base directory. This is the first folder it has selected. It has already created a scene number folder. Here you will find that stack has been created. It has already stacked the file, and the other process it will do. What it will first create, it will first create the reflectance bands, and then it will create the corresponding TOA. Okay, and one more thing, all these files, reflectance band means reflectance band, it will create, but what we will do, as this reflectance band is no more required in our case, so after this means using programming, after creation of TOA, we will delete all these reflectance bands. Okay, so just check, these are the files it has been created. Based on these files, the TOA stack will be created. Yes, it has been started creating. This TOA IMG has been created. Now after completion of this TOA, what using programming to space to create, to save space in the system, we have deleted all these things. You can find this, all those layers that has been created has been now deleted. Okay, now your this all that stack and TOA has been completed for this folder. Okay, so you can now move to the second folder where it's working. So you can find this stack is going on. First it will do the stack, and then it will calculate all the reflectance, as it will do for all these folders. Okay, there are, how if you will keep 30 folders, 40 folders, based on your requirement, it will do one by one. Okay, for creating a single band stack, normally it requires to take 5 to 10 minutes, because you have to extract this information from metadata file, then you have to rename those things. But using this tool, all those entire work will be created within means one scene, the task of one scene will be completed within 1 minute. Okay, we have completed all the image stack as well as TOA. Okay, now just check what this tool has created. You just go to the directory where it has been created. So first let us open the stack image of this area. Change the band combination as per your requirement. Okay, this is the normal stack image, as well as you will get one TOA image. Just drag it and drop it over there. You will get just change the band combination. You will find this is the TOA image, okay, of that area. And you know that the range of values in a TOA image is vary from 0 to 1. So just click the eye cursor so you can identify the pixel values. Okay, this is the pixel value of red, means band 2, 3, sorry 4, 3 and 2. Okay, you can check with the stack also. For the stack, just check the DN value. The DN value of this will be like that. Okay, so this is the thing that we have created, and apart from this, if you want to check with another folder, just go to another folder. This type of folder you will get, and within that this type of files has been generated. Just drag it and drop it, so the new scene will be opened. This is the stack image. Okay, so by using this tool, within few clicks you will able to create a stack as well as a TOA of the entire these 3 folders that you have created. Okay,